Hey guys, Captain Rush here with Local Knowledge TV. Welcome back to our channel. I've been fishing my whole life. I've learned a lot of knots through the years by myself and from other fishermen. But it's just great to have one go-to knot. One knot you're really comfortable with. One knot when that big fish is behind the boat, you're gonna be comfortable tying. For me, it's the Uni Knot. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step here. Now, I'm gonna start with the double uni. Now, the double uni is what you're gonna use for your leader to line connections. I have my 80-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon right here, and I have my 50-pound Threadlock braid on this side. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cross your leader and your braid over top of each other and make an X. Just like this, really simple. The next thing I do is I take my braided line, my main line, and I come back around towards my thumb. It kind of makes a 6. My next step is I am gonna wrap the braided line around both the leader and the main line 5 or 6 times. Now I'm gonna wrap it more times depending on the size of the braid. Okay, once I get there, you see I have those wraps. I'm just gonna pull both lines, equal pressure, tight. Now, I'm not gonna cinch those down as tight as I can get them yet. The reason being is because I have to do the same thing on the other side. So all I do is I grab that knot, I turn everything over so I can work with my right hand, and I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna make my 6 right here. Now with my leader side, I'm gonna wrap it less times because obviously your leader is gonna be thicker, harder to cinch down. I'm only gonna do 4 on this side. Same thing, I'm just gonna pull, equal pressure, pull them tight. And what you see here is both uni knots, okay? Before I cinch them down, just gonna moisten it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab both sides and pull evenly at the same time until both those knots cinch down. Now the great thing about this knot, the more you pull, the more it cinches down. And as you can see, right there, we have a perfect double uni. Great leader to line connection, one of my favorites. One thing you want to take into consideration when you're tying this knot is the amount of wraps you're going to use. The heavier the leader, the heavier the line, you're going to use fewer wraps. Now I'm going to show you how to tie a uni knot going to your hook. Got my 5.0 VMC tournament circle hook right here, and I got my 50-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon leader. Go up through the eye of the hook. Same thing, I'm going to pinch it off right here at the eye, and I'm gonna make a 6. Now when I'm tying my leaders, I usually do about 4 wraps. Once again, over top of both lines, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna moisten it. Now I do that so it slides down real easy and doesn't burn the line when I'm tightening it down. And then I'm just gonna cinch it down towards the eye of the hook. Once I get it down, all I do is pull it tight. Trim it, and there it is. The uni knot to the hook. This knot right here, for me, works for absolutely everything. The only time I really deviate from the double uni is if I'm using heavy leader. Let's say I'm using a 100-pound leader, a 130-pound leader, and I'm casting lures or plugs, and I don't want this bulky knot as you get up in leader size to get caught on the guides. Nothing good happens then. Then I'm gonna go to an FG knot, something that's gonna slide through the guides really easy. But for every other application, the double uni is my go-to.